Thank you for joining us in Lesson 1 of our 12-part 3 Angels for Kids drawing series. This drawing coordinates with our video, How Do You Know You Can Trust the Bible? You should watch that video on our YouTube channel first and then draw the scroll with us. Have fun! We are starting with an ellipse on the left side of the page. An ellipse is kind of a circle that's a little flat. Okay, so you have your ellipse. Now start at the top of that ellipse, curl up, and go to the back of the page. The same thing on the bottom, except you're going to curl down. You're going to go up and then down. Now make a line beside the ellipse, modeling the same curve. And then a line going back, modeling the curve that you did on the top line. Now close off the back, modeling that same curve. And then you're going to close off the top, modeling the same curve of your ellipse. That is your basic shape. Now we're going to go inside the ellipse, model the curve to the left of that new line and straight across. And here's your rolled piece of paper. It's amazing when you think about the little shepherd boy that found these scrolls. Okay, now we're making a string around it. You can make yours fatter if you want. You can make a ribbon, a fatter ribbon. I'm choosing to make a string. And you just curve a line around there and another line right beside it with the same kind of arc. And you'll have your string. Now, I'm going to make my string crossing one another, but you don't have to do that. But here's one side of my string, and then the other side I'm crossing over. But you can make your string however you want because it's your picture. Now let's see, what else can we do here? Let's put a little fringe on the end of our string. And now we pretty much have our scroll. I'm going to be coloring mine in, which will give you some time to catch up with your drawing if you need to. And, you know, I want to tell you, I actually went to the place where those caves are, where that little shepherd boy was throwing rocks and heard that sound, and later they found these evidences of the Bible. And if you don't know the story, be sure to watch our video that goes with this drawing, and it will tell you all about it. But I was really excited to be able to go there and take a picture with that cave in the background about the little shepherd boy who had a slingshot and just kind of pelted a rock down into a cave and heard pottery breaking, and there were the Dead Sea Scrolls. It's a beautiful story. And it's amazing that God has just preserved his word down through the ages, and just at the time when he knew we needed encouragement to know that the Bible is real, he provided that experience for that little shepherd boy. So be sure to watch the video that tells you about that. Now I'm coloring my string in kind of an off reddish color because I thought maybe they would have had berries back then to dye to make these colors. I don't know, but you can make yours whatever you want. Now I'm putting some lines, a few on one side, a few on another side, to kind of give the suggestion of a little piece of rope or string. And now I always like to put in some coloring on one side, then on the other side to give a little dimension. And also I wanted to make my scroll look older, and I thought maybe this would help. But again, if you don't want to do that, you don't have to, because it's your picture. Thanks for drawing with us. I hope you enjoyed drawing our scroll today.